Are you videotaping?
No, not at all.
Videotape.
No, I don't want to.
Ah. I can get it.
The plane is in one piece. Pre-flight checklist.
Ready for takeoff. Try just rolling it, Ken. Back wheel.
Just let it go.
Grab your ball.
Okay, we gotta hear the motor. So quick. Here, let's go over to the side so we don't get hit.
Oh, that was sweet.
Mr. Show Off.
Swim.
Ah! Gosh, don't do that.
Crap, Ken.
It looked good though.
It's scary.
Don't hit the people. No, it was sheer skill, right?
Sure.
Careful, this is not a video game. Caution.
Quiet.
Hope this guy don't park somewhere where I gotta avoid him. Upside down.
Yeah, I know. Please don't hit me.
It's nice having a lot of room to fly.
Better than the park.
Better than that old high school.
Remember, there's no reset button.
Yeah, no kidding. That's why I'm shaking right now.
Then bring it in.
I've been shaking the whole time. That was wind. I felt that.
Watch out for the trees.
Here comes the wind. Just as I was
Just keep it
bringing
up.
in.
Keep it as a headwind. Don't do any tricks.
Oh wow.
Just keep it up. Just keep it straight. No tricks. Oh, there's the wind.
Look at that tailwind pushing me.
Mm-hmm.
I can see it like flashing in the sun.
He knows what's getting ready to happen down there. He feels the wind.
Well, bring it down.
I can't bring it down.
Well, when it lets up, bring it down.
I know that's what I'm doing.
Try it now. Bring it down. Soft and easy. Easy, easy. What was that?
What?
It wasn't right.
No, that was just weird. Is it okay?
It survived.
Survived.
Much better than your last one. No damage. Alright, you happy now?
Are you happy now?
No, because I still missed the maiden voyage and all the funness.
Almost hitting myself.
Exactly, to watch you jump over your own plane. I missed
up.
it.
And that's one big plane.
Oh! I think you should have just left it how it was.
Oh, I'm not done yet.
Oh my gosh. What?
I'm just joking. I don't want to break it, but I gotta.
What happened?
Nothing. Just a rough landing.
Pretty tough.
Nothing I haven't done before.
Watch it from behind.
Take any runway, does it?
Should I move?
Oh.
Out of the way, Ken?
Yeah, Kenny, get behind
Come up
us.
here behind me.
Because at least it'll hit him first.
Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, just don't hit people. Kenny, don't
Calm down, Kenny.
stay close to him, okay?
I'm gonna pull my ball up.
Alright, go do it then.
I'm gonna try to land it again here.
Much better. I think you should quit while you're ahead.
What happened on the landing?
Nothing.
It's not dead yet.
How about we should have an empty space so the airplane can come through? How does that sound? Fine? Can you do it?
He's gliding right now.
Huh?
He's getting ready to stall out, dude. You see that?
I did.
I'm landing.
Whoa, what was that?
Kind of erratic there. Woo!
Yeah, you don't listen to the girlfriend. Nice and easy.
Nice and easy.
Nice and easy. Easy, easy.
That's what your sister said.
Yay!
This is not. Oh. Still starting it?
Again!
Oh.
Yeah, there's still life left in that battery.
Are you serious? You're gonna do it till you crash, aren't you?
Well, I'm gonna do it till I feel like it's tired.
Yeah, and then what are you gonna do when the battery dies while it's still up in the air?
Now,
Last flight, okay. We'll bring out for another landing.
should have brought 3 balls. Hey, after this, would you like to play some basketball with me?
There's nowhere to play here, sweetie.
Yeah, right over there.
That's the smoothest landing yet.
That was pretty.
Now what? Taxi it over here, so you don't have to go get it.
Feel that wind.
The basketball court is over there, Mom.
Okay. Now that's the tennis court.
No, behind the tennis court.
Yeah, it's trying to take off right now.
Then do it. You know you want to.
No.
Not my plane, hon.
Nice taxi.
I can't bring it back to myself.
Seriously? You don't have those skills?
Well, not really. The rear wheel don't. It wants to bounce a lot.
Well, then do it where it's not on the rear wheel.
Huh?
Do it while it's not on the rear wheel.
That I'm gonna take off because it's like right there.
Oh, it's control, sweetie. You gotta learn to have control.
You want me to fly again? I will.
No.
Don't do no buttons, folks. Please and thank you.
Don't touch.
You done?
Mm-hmm.
End it on a good note.
I'm gonna go
I'm
get
gonna go down there and
basketballs.
say hi and see if the plane comes.
You want to take the recorder too and record your conversation?
Yeah.